Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Lotion. This is a travel size that I have here, so I usually just throw this in my purse and that's where I keep it. I like to use this, especially the reason I keep it in my purse is because I like to use it when I'm in public, after I wash my hands, after using the restroom or whatever. It's nice to have this and just use it after washing my hands to make sure that my hands don't get dried out. So it says that it's proven to keep dry skin healed for 3 weeks. And then at the bottom it says proven after 4 weeks. So that's kind of got some confusing, contradicting information right on the front of the tube. But I'm gonna let that slide, I guess. It says that it's non-greasy lotion, and that is true. It's not greasy at all. Fairly quickly after applying it, it dries and my hands just feel really soft. This is a 3 fluid ounce tube, so like I said, this is really easy to travel with. It's easy to just throw in my purse, no matter what size purse that I have, whether it's a small crossbody or a huge tote. I can usually fit this in no problem, and it's also small enough to keep it in my purse if I'm flying and going through TSA. I don't have to take it out or anything like that. And I think the limit is 3.4 ounces or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, Vaseline is just a really great line for dry skin, so I really love this. The bag has more information. Deeply moisturizes to heal dry skin, keeps skin healed for 3 weeks. I just got this. It keeps your skin healed for 3 weeks, and it starts working after 4 weeks, and then after the 4 weeks it keeps it healed for 3 weeks. If you stop using it after 4 weeks, maybe. So I think if you keep using it, it's gonna continue to work for as long as you're using it. Anyway, okay, so that makes more sense now. Keeps skin healed for 3 weeks, leaves skin stronger and noticeably healthier, and absorbs fast for non-greasy feel, which I've already spoken about, that it really does do that. It absorbs and dries really quickly, but it dries in a way that still makes my skin feel really, really soft. This would also probably be good to get in a bigger bottle if you have dry skin, especially in the winter, so that you can use it not just on your hands but anywhere, especially knees, feet, elbows, just parts of your body that tend to get super dry. This is probably going to work wonders for you. So yeah, so go ahead and open this, and this came just like this. It didn't come in a box or anything like that. I did have to twist open the cap to take the little foil off, which is nice when things don't come in a sealed box or something. It's always nice for products to do that, because then I know I'm getting as much of the product as I possibly can. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm a huge proponent of that. But after the first time, you don't have to twist it open anymore. It's just got a snap cap here, and oops, I started squeezing it a little bit. And it is a white cream, a white lotion. It absorbs really, really nicely. It feels really nice. I'm not sure how much that really showed you actually applying the lotion. It's already pretty dry, and yeah, it's very creamy. It's not sticky. It's a lotion, and it says here that it's got at the 3rd point between light and rich, 3 out of 4. So it's more on the rich side, but even then it's still pretty light, and it smells really good. It kind of has, it's not unscented, florally scent to it, but it's very, very subtle. It's mostly just a nice, clean, fresh cream, lotion scent. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does have a nice, subtle floral. Still, I think that it's subtle enough that a guy could use it without having to worry about smelling too feminine or anything like that. So yeah, and I really like this. It has micro droplets of Vaseline Jelly, which is probably what helps in it working so well to heal dry skin, because Vaseline is really, really great for that. Vaseline alone, just the jelly alone, I used to use on my elbows and even on like my lips. I wouldn't use this on my lips, but it is going to be really great for the areas that are just really prone to dryness, especially in the winter. I definitely never leave my house without this in the winter, because even like just walking inside, I live in New York, so I spend a few minutes at a time outside walking from place to place. It's not like other places where I just go from my house to my car and things like that. So I definitely love having this with me in the winter, because it's really easy for my skin, for my hands to just get really dry and cracked, and this keeps that at bay. So yeah, I would really highly recommend this to anyone who has dry skin or is just looking to keep their skin nice and moisturized. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.